When was the last time you looked at an insurance statement, either for your home or your car? With automatic deductions, most of us don't pay close attention to the statements, so we probably don't realize our rates are creeping up every time. So here to show us how fast and easy it is to save on insurance is Brian and David Head. They are a father and son team, founders of the Head Insurance Group, family owned. We love it when you're local and family owned. Talk to people about what it is that you guys do.
Well, we're independent agents, which mean we're all about choices and options for individuals.
Yes.
If you know, a lot of times people will shop online and you kind of have to buy what they're selling and you really don't have any idea that there might be a better alternative for your situation.
Right.
Because they don't offer it. Or you might go through what we call a captive agent who sells only for one insurance company. And he has sales goals to meet, he has quotas to fill, and he may be pushing policies that, you know, can meet your needs but might not be the best fit for you.
Right.
Whereas independent agents, we shop with lots of different companies. You give us some basic information and we'll go look for you, find the best fit, the best in coverage, as well as the best price.
Yeah.
So we're all about options and choices for you.
Choices, and it's a free service. I always have to say
Absolutely.
this for people out there because people think, oh, I might have to pay an additional fee. No, it's free. Right?
Exactly right.
You get
Exactly
people the
right.
best deal. So what is the process when somebody calls in?
Well, it's actually fairly simple. We'll just get some basic information from them. We'll talk for a few minutes about their situation, and then we'll take that information and we'll go to various companies and we'll run quotes and then we'll tell them what we found. And if they have a little bit more complicated situation or if they have questions about their coverage, we'll take the time that they need to answer those questions for them. And that way they can feel comfortable that they're getting the right coverage for them.
Yeah, absolutely. So how long is the process? Because people are busy. Kids are in school, we're running errands. How long is the process?
It's actually very quick. Our typical phone call, we'll spend maybe 15, 20 minutes on the phone.
Yeah.
Sometimes even less than that if it's very simple and not very complicated. And like I said, we'll spend as much time as they need
Right.
with us. And we'll go through the process quickly. And then we'll run the quotes, we'll get back to them, tell them what we found, and then they simply can say, yeah, that sounds great, or no thanks, I'm good with where I'm at.
Yeah, you have nothing to lose, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
No pressure.
So a lot of people think if you've been with the same insurance company for a long time, you are getting the best rate. Is that true?
That is not true. The way that insurance works is a lot of the discounts that you get on the front end when you start the policy fall off over time. So.
Okay.
We run into a lot of people, especially retirees. They maybe had the same agent for 20 years and they think they're getting a great deal because they've been with that agent for so long. But the fact of the matter is the discounts have fallen off and they've been overpaying for a long period of time, which hurts on a fixed income. So
Yeah.
we're able to go out and do the shopping for them and find the right price for their budget.
So this is a personal question. Can they just keep adding little by little onto your policy without you even realizing this is possible,
They
right?
can. So every time it comes up for renewal, you might have discounts that fall off. You might have rate increases. This summer we saw across the industry one of the largest rate increases Colorado has ever seen. So people, as their policies are renewing this summer and fall, are going to see those rates creeping up. And if you're not paying attention, it can cost money.
No, it definitely happens because we're all on autopilot and we just want to get the bill done. You just pay it, and sometimes you're not paying attention, right? So can people switch companies at any time, or do you need to wait for your policy to expire? How does that work?
Well, you can really switch at any time. And obviously, if you're going to save money, you want to switch sooner than later, right?
Yeah.
So we encourage people to get quotes, take a look at what's being offered out there, because rates do fluctuate during the course of the year. But yeah, you can switch any time. You don't have to wait until the policy expires. So you know, that's an advantage of giving us a call. We can take a look.
Yeah, somebody else does the shopping for you. I like the sound of that. So you guys offer auto and homeowners insurance, but what other things can you help us with?
So we are a full-service agency, so we can help with things like business insurance. We can do the toys, so the boat, the motorcycle, the ATV, those kinds of things.
Yeah.
Life insurance is a big one as well for us.
Yeah, and with life insurance, I had a question about that because we all usually get it through our employer. Do you recommend getting something extra out of that?
We do, because what you get through your employer is great, but people change jobs. Life insurance becomes more expensive as you age. So a lot of people accept what they have through work at a young age, and then Maybe they change jobs later. Maybe they have some kind of diagnosis that might prevent them from getting life insurance later, so they miss the opportunity to buy it while it's less expensive. So
do it now rather than later.
Exactly. We encourage people to get something that's portable outside of work while you can.
Okay, I don't want to age either one of you, but how many years combined of experience do you have?
Over 30. Over 30 between the two of us.
Which says a lot.
3 decades sounds shorter.
Yeah, that's better. Let's go with 3 decades. And you guys are family owned, and what does that mean to your customers?
Well, in terms of experience, most agents have weeks and weeks of sales training. Brian and I are both former claims adjusters, so we understand the need for the right coverage at the right time. We understand what policies are offering, and I think we can bring that to our customers as an asset because they can ask questions and we can tell them what we've seen. And you know, nothing gave us more pleasure as claims adjusters and now as agents than knowing that we're meeting the needs of our customers. And that's really exciting. And then family owned, we're local. We've got kids and grandkids in the area, and we're not going anywhere. So if you need an agent that you can get a hold of, you know, I talk to people all the time. I say, who's your agent? Well, I don't know. I'm with such and such
They don't even know their name. I don't even know my agent's name, right? So,
right. You know, and we're just down the street. So that's
great.
nice.
Thanks for coming on today, you guys. So pull out your insurance statement right now and call the Head Insurance Group. They are going to give you a free insurance quote. Let them go to work shopping for the best insurance rates and save you money every month. And just by calling to see if they can save you money, you can help families in need. So for every Colorado's Best viewer who completes a free quote with the Head Insurance Group, they are going to make a donation to the Arvada Community Food Bank. That's so generous. Thanks, you guys. So call them today. You have nothing to lose. Here's the number, 303-955-6494. That's 303-955-6494. And you can also find them online at theheadinsurancegroup.com. Coming up on